But now we're going to open up this tap. Or this pipe. That was the wrong way. Yeah, this is the right way, so we have to put that in front of my leg. Okay, so I'll put this here. So I turned off the water under this main water to the house. That's all paint. See, I had to put that there to hold that because that's plastic and I don't want that to break. Okay, here comes the water. Okay, I'll take it off up here too. Up here. Well, that's where I was working on before anyway. No, I was doing it there. What is this? Not 5/8? Okay. Why is that not coming up? I should have gone digging time, you know, really. Should just call a plumber. Any plumber watches this video, that's what they'll say. Just call a plumber. Okay. Maybe I pushed it really far down in the pipe. I put it together. Well, you see, it's like this. It just pushes in. So I guess I need to hold this one steady and unscrew this one, which means I need another pipe wrench. The location of which I do not know. Well, maybe this whole thing is... I don't know. Well, okay. So where's my tool? Where's my little paintbrush? Let's stick it down and see what happens. Guess I need a much longer one. Oh well. Maybe I could use this. Just trying to get the calcium out of the pipe. I could do this if I was using two hands, you know. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. Well, I don't know. I know I broke my tool. Should have gotten those other things while I was in the greenhouse. So that seemed to go, oh, it only went to there. So I need a longer one. I should just use a wire. Just get a coat hanger and open it up. Oh, well, I'm getting a little worn out, aren't you? Let's see if we can get a coat hanger out of the closet. We need that kind. Okay. Are you having a lovely time? I'm just going to put you right there. Oh, that didn't work. No. Guess you didn't want to stay there, did you? So we're going to open up this coat hanger. Well, hi, Mal. Okay. see if this will work now. Probably not because it's pretty crooked. I should cut that piece off, shouldn't I? Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, 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 indeed. Yes, indeed.